If you're wondering how to integrate Salesforce with Gmail, you're in the right place. I'll walk you through a quick, easy way to do this, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to seamlessly connect these tools to save you time and boost productivity. Stick with me till the end, because I've got an exclusive bonus that you don't want to miss. First things first, why would you want to integrate Salesforce with Gmail? Well, integrating these two powerful tools allows you to sync your emails, contacts, and calendars with your CRM, making it easier to manage communications with clients and prospects directly from within Salesforce. The integration helps you to be more efficient and stay organized without constantly switching between different apps. Now, let's jump into how to actually do it. Next thing, to get started, you'll need to install the Salesforce for Gmail add-on. Go to the G Suite Marketplace, search for Salesforce, and click on the Salesforce for Gmail option. Once you click on it, hit Install. You might have to log into your Google account and grant necessary permissions, so make sure you're logged into the Gmail account you want to integrate. The third thing, once it's installed, you'll see a new Salesforce icon appear on your Gmail inbox. When you open an email, you'll be able to see the Salesforce icon on the right-hand side of the screen. Click that to bring up a small Salesforce window where you can log activities, view your contacts, and even create new records right from your Gmail. Next thing, after the add-on is set up, you'll want to sync your emails. You can now choose to automatically log incoming and outgoing emails into your Salesforce account. This is key for keeping all your communications in one place, and it ensures that your Salesforce CRM is always up to date without manual data entry. Now, the fifth thing, you can also integrate Google Calendar with Salesforce. This is super helpful for keeping track of meetings and events. By syncing the two, you can see upcoming appointments in Salesforce and add new calendar events directly from your Salesforce account, which saves time. Lastly, don't forget to enable notifications. With Gmail and Salesforce integrated, you can set up automatic alerts and reminders for important tasks or emails, so you'll never miss a beat. You can also set up custom workflows to automate actions based on specific emails or tasks, further streamlining your process. Now, here's the exciting part. As promised, if you're interested in giving Salesforce and Gmail integration a try, you can use this software for completely free. Check out the first link in the description for an exclusive bonus and an extended free trial. So, to sum it up, integrating Salesforce with Gmail is a straightforward process that brings tremendous value to your workflow. You'll save time, improve organization, and boost productivity all within a few easy steps. Don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive extended free trial through the link below. Thanks for watching!